Kabor Penyat District Jangkari Bhoi ke Pynlong ya ke Jingïalang District Development Coordination and Monitoring Committee ne ke Disha menta ke sengi hanong po hapo ke Jing Penyat jong Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon UMP ke Shillong. Kinong mikmat jong kipat ba ki bekentop ki MLA upa Meryl Bonds ba Charles Marngar Dr. Celestine Lingdo bat UMDC Matthew Kenneth Makdo kilishim bentah ke ni ke Jingïalang. Kihan hapo ke Jingïalang jong Deputy Commissioner Abilash Baranwal bat kinong mikmat na kitanat beper-beperu kilishim bentah. Kani ke Jingïalang kalapan let jungbut hakaban penti kenai ke Jingtreikam purai ki Skhim ke Sorkar Pdeng pat ban Jingtreikam yaki hakarukom ke bakhoit basuba pat ban pet kat kom ke Jingdan kam nadu tenrai. Hakani ke Jingïalang lay keren syapang ki Skhim ki bakongsan ki bakentop ya ka MGNREGS ke Swachh Bharat Mission MPLADS ke NSAP bat kiwe ki program pendroi habarok kiwe ke district.
Review of the implementation, the performance, and also bottlenecks, if any, of the various centrally sponsored schemes and major development initiatives which are being undertaken in your district, in Bhoi. And this forum, therefore, it provides a crucial platform to ensure that these public welfare schemes, which have been announced from time to time by the different ministries of the Government of India, are being delivered efficiently, transparently, and in alignment with the needs of our people. And my dear friends, we are all gathered here. We are also, each one of us, I hope you agree with me, we are collectively entrusted with the responsibility of ensuring that the benefits of any government scheme